Boom. Prepping for F1 outside in our house. Just so I can remember. Bedroom.
Professionals. That's why we work on the streets. Professional street. Get good. He's white. If you like that, you're gonna love this. Turn him around. That guy's a freak. We don't trust it. I'm gonna tell you this. I can make a deal with you. If we mess him up, they'll have blue eyes and big lips, okay? Don't worry about it. We're gonna think of something. I think I was watching. Now make some noise!